Here Mr. Dilip Kumar has mentioned about cyber crime, that here a lot of persons are such, they operate their cell phones, some of the message come and they click agree, allow, many more things they click because they have lack of education and they lost a lot of money. So you also realize that for removing our problems, because a lot of persons are surrounded with cyber crime. So what's your opinion about cyber crime, that if we have knowledge of English, then we will not get problems related to cyber crime, because everything comes in English, notification, OTP, everything is coming in English. So for protecting ourselves in modern age, English plays a great role.
Yeah, thank you, Sajadvi, for giving me this type of opportunity. It's my pleasure that you have given me a chance for speaking something. Really, I mean, if we talk about English language, English plays a pivotal role in our life. Because of English we are speaking, because of English we are connecting to the people. This is a common language through which we can communicate to the other people, through which we can communicate to the foreigner person because of this language. So English plays a pivotal role in our life. If we talk about in cyber era, cyber crime, many of the crime is happening related to English language because of lackness of English language. People, they don't understand that which type of message has come in front of my phone. So English is very important for us, and if you are comfortable, if you are understanding which type of message has come in my phone, so if you are able for understanding these all messages, so this will happen, this will not happen, and this will finish in short time. So English plays a pivotal role in our life. Because of English, many of the people are getting problem in surviving their life. Many of the people are getting problem. They didn't know how can we communicate to the other people because of English language. If you have idea, then you can survive your life in easy way in any state. If you want to go in I am talking about our India. If you want to go in other place as other state, if you have idea how can we communicate in English language, if you have lots of idea, if you are a scholar of English, then we can connect, we can speak in an easy way. So English is a common language through which we can communicate to the other people. So English, we should also learn this language. Now at this time our government always say that this is a digital era. In this era we have to speak these all things. We have to also speak this language. Through this language we can build up our personality. When we speak this language, people will understand that he has lots of ideas, he is a good person because of English. If you are speaking Bhojpuri, Hindi, people they never think that he is different to other people. But when we start speaking this language, people will understand that he has lots of ideas, he is a good personality because of this language. So English is very important for us, and we have to also learn. Because of English we can communicate to the other people, and we can easily communicate. Here point is that and many of the people have lots of idea. If he has no English language, they have no idea how can you communicate to the other people in English language. There is no need to get higher education. In our society, many of the people are living their life, they are surviving their life, but they have lots of education. In our society, many of the doctors, many of the engineers are available. For all that, they are getting to communicate to the other people. When time will come to talk for other people, they get problem. So we have to speak, we have to learn this language.